going to Cleveland today. It's cold, but I'm going to Cleveland today. Hey.
Hey, hey.
How you doing?
I'm waiting on you. Get your ass in here.
Bitch, you were late. Real quick.
Quick.
I got you a present.
Hi.
Hey, you can't light on.
Yeah.
Where's your lights at?
No, dude. No. No.
Okay, so we're going to Target right now. Okay, we're in Target right now. We're gonna buy Derek a Switch and Pokemon to surprise him for his birthday. Super pumped. He has no idea. Right there. Getting that one. Got it. The worst part now is that I have to wait literally a week to give it to him. It's gonna drive me crazy. Super impatient. I just want to go there now and give it to him. No, I can't do that. 1 week. It's fine. It's fine. What'd you get?
No, dude.
Open it.
Dude. No.
Open it.
No. No, you. No. Dude. Oh my god. Dude, I love you. Oh my god.
Love you too, buddy.
No.
Yeah. You've done, I don't know how much for me over the last how many years, so.
You know what? I'm gonna hug you.
Should.
Dude.
Love you, bud.
Love you. Oh my god. Okay, wait, that's awesome. That is. Oh my god. That's
It's gonna be good.
a little too much, but
No.
hell, I'll take it.
We're gonna start the birthday off right.
Yeah, that's. Well. Man, I gotta figure out how to top that. Sit right here. Ooh, yeah. Got that for my birthday. Happy birthday. Well, it's like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, this guy right here. This guy. This guy.
This guy.
This guy.
This is the perfect table for somebody with a good beard, huh?
Kavars.
Where's it at, Derek?
It's gone.
Where's it at, Derek?
I turned it. Sorry.
It was never there.
Oh, but it was.
No. Well, ready to go to Cleveland?
Always ready to go to Cleveland,
Let's go to
man.
Cleveland.
Great. Bet John's not going to join us.
I wanted to go.
It's okay.
It's okay.
I tried.
okay.
It's okay to be a disappointment every once in a while.
We'll see you later. You're amazing. Wow. Wait. Thruple. You have great chaperoning young teens, molding minds,
It's gonna be fun.
things you do.
Oh, yeah.
See you, bud.
You gotta be safe, have fun.
Oh yeah. To Cleveland.
To Cleveland we go.
GoPro mode activate.
Let's take Cleveland on. Cleveland our bitch.
There probably should be a different way for us to go down.
You know what? Go with it.
This isn't correct.
Not at all.
This is sketchy. This is really sketchy. Yeah, the first place we find that has hats,
Okay.
your boy's buying a hat.
I told you.
Oh, there's Ohio hats right there. They're only $8.99.
I mean, sure. Let's go for it.
Yeah, let's buy a hat.
Turn that on. Go for it.
How's it going? What color should I get, Derek?
What?
What color should I get?
Red.
Red?
Red.
Red with black?
Yeah, there you go.
There we go. Hey. Oh, it's like 10 times better already. We're gonna take some photos over here first. Go to the Cantina Taco Bell because it's fancy, right?
Super fancy.
Fancy Taco Bell. Hey Derek, what'd you think about that Taco Bell? That super throwback MTV that they were using over there?
MTV was awesome.
They were blasting it in there.
Oh yeah, they were.
They were just blasting.
However, the place itself, honestly, I was underwhelmed.
What would you rate it? What would you rate out of 10?
Underwhelmed. So
Out of 10?
5.
5 out of 10.
5.
How long is that shutter?
Oh, it's gotta bring the mirror up, take the shot, and then close the mirror.
Good God, this shutter's way too slow.
Which is really weird because it's actually stupid. Live view shuts the mirror, pulls the mirror back up.
Oh, yeah. Electronic viewfinder, bro. Somebody across it, that would be ideal. gonna get the shot.
Get the shot.
I just need a single person to walk in front of this.
Hey, I'll give you $2. Just walk by.
Is that what I want to do?
Ooh, I like it. I like it.
Dope. Good catch, Derek. How's Mario? The person down that alley standing right in that window or the door frame, but entirely too far. Good enough. Yeah, right there. You were like... That was dope.
Yeah, that's all that.
All right, so we are done in Cleveland. It's been a long day. Can't really feel my feet anymore, but it's been awesome. I'm gonna go back to Fort Wayne now.